If you are sitting for this Junior WAEC exam, which we normally call BECE, here is your timetable. Just follow me and I will show you your timetable, and I will also send you the timetable. Just watch this video and I will send you the timetable on your WhatsApp or your email address so that you can guide your child or yourself that will be writing the exam. The 2024 timetable is, the exam starts on Monday, 13th of May. Basically, on that day, you write business studies and pre-vocational studies. Business studies and pre-vocational studies is for Monday, 13th May. Then on Tuesday, 14th May, you write Hausa language, Igbo language, Yoruba language, Edo language, Efik language, Ibibi. Of course, not all the students will be writing all the languages. You just choose the one you are writing or the one your child is writing. So that day, that 14th of May is basically for the languages, native languages. When I send you this timetable, you'll be able to see the timing for the exam. Then on Wednesday, 15th May, we have mathematics, both objective and essay. On 16th, we'll have business studies. 16th of May, Thursday. Then on Friday, 17th of May, we have history, both objectives. Then on Saturday, 18th of May, we have computer practicals, basic science and technology. I'm sure you can see everything. Remember, I will send you this particular timetable. Once you subscribe to our YouTube channel, just go now and subscribe to Noble Tutorials YouTube channel. Then come under this video and write I have subscribed. Comment I have subscribed. Then I will send you this timetable on your WhatsApp, on your email address, so that you can have a closer look at it as you or your child prepare for the BECE exam. Then on Monday, 20th of May, we have business, basic science and technology, both objective and the drawings. Then on Tuesday, 21st May, we have English language, both objective and essay. On Wednesday, I hope you are taking note of these things. On Wednesday, we'll be having French language and Arabic language. Remember, all your student or yourself might not write for all these subjects. It depends on the one your school registered you for. So you may not necessarily write Arabic if you have not offered it in school. You may not necessarily write French if you don't offer it in school. But if you offer them in school and it was registered for you by your school, of course you'll be writing them. Remember that Junior WAEC is also called BECE, Basic Education Certificate Examination. Then on 23rd, we have Cultural and Creative Arts, CCA. I'm sure you know the subject, you should prepare for it. Then the last day for the exam is on 24th of May. I told you earlier that this year's exam is 13th to 24th of May. So we'll now have, basically within 11 days, we are done. We'll now have CRS, Christian Religious Studies, and Islamic Studies, depending on the one you offer in your school. This is the timetable. Like I said, go to our YouTube channel right now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just subscribe, hit subscribe button, like this video, invite your classmates, your friend, your child, anybody to also subscribe. Then come under this video and type I have subscribed. Once I get your message, I will send you the timetable. Then if you have questions to ask me about, ask us about Junior WAEC, Senior WAEC, NECO JAM, and every other thing. If you want past questions on any of the examination, if you want the link to check your JAM, also ask me once you have subscribed. I look forward to your comment right now.